I'm going to talk about the branch of database and BI job opportunity for beginners. So I wanted to start with the example. If you go to the ATM machine and try to do some transaction, and that transaction data goes to the transactional database, and that transactional database has to be maintained. It was maintained by DBA, is called database administrator, and also it was developed by the database developer. It was also tested by the database tester, and database architecture designed that database, and database analyst analyzed that database. So there are varieties of job opportunity around this position, like a database position. And this database, the transactional database, has to be moved. I'll give you another example. If you go to the Walmart and try to buy something, that information also goes to the transactional database. But after 15 days you wanted to return that item, so then when you go to the Walmart, they look for that data in a different database, that is in data warehouse or past database, because today's database, the transactional database, the current database is become historical for tomorrow. So then that data warehouse was created by the ETL developer, and that process is, let me elaborate that process. Here you can see there are ETL developer extracting data from the different source. It could be Excel data, it could be text data, or any other database, or it is coming from the cloud or web. ETL developer extract those data and bringing to ETL platform, and where they do the some transformation. If needed, they can do cleaning data, they can merge, split, convert, whatever need to be done, they do it in this middle ETL platform. After transformation, they transfer that data to the data warehouse, and if that data they collect it in a item wise, then is become uh, data mart. Say for example, if this data is from the bank, and then is that data is collected in a loan data separately, credit data separately, insurance data separately, those are separate data called data mart, and those all lies inside the data warehouse. And from that data warehouse there are many different others branch of job related. They created the different data dashboard reports, and eventually those data goes for AI, machine learning, so on. So go back to my previous slides. So here is that data warehouse I just explained in that process, and that there are around so many different jobs as well. There are dashboard and report developer, ETL developer. There are people who are working, whoever developing this data warehouse. They are called data warehouse developer, data analyst, so many other jobs around this data warehouse as well. When people are good with learn all these uh, different position, and they have a SQL knowledge, they can go for artificial intelligence and machine learning by learning the Python and R. So I also mentioned before that data warehouse coming from transactional data, it also come from the unstructured data. Unstructured data are like when you do the email chat, there are so many uh, we every day we're doing Facebook, everything, all unstructured data we can make it structured and goes also data warehouse. So what I try to tell over here, if you go and look for so many different jobs and also listed on the right side, and if you look for each one by name, you will see there are hundreds of thousands of jobs around these items. So, and those are all high paid 90 plus jobs. So I just want to give you the information about the database and branch of job and opportunity, so it will help you, I hope. So I wanted to say that's all for now. So if you like my channel, please subscribe my channel. I and thank you for watching.